Hello, and thank you for clicking on this video. Um, I'm a bit sick, but today I'm gonna do the lucky find thingy, the lucky clovers, and apparently if you get a big key, if you find 50 clovers, you get, there's a chance of getting a spike collar or a wristband, so I want to try and get that, and I'll try to be trying to find 10 at a time so it's easier for you to watch. So I found my first 10 and a lucky diner table and a lucky lamp. So that's cool. Now, when I follow the lucky path, I realized that you can't collect clovers when when you're carrying a lucky key. So, that kind of sucks because whenever I go back to the treasure chest, I kind of want to collect as I go. But yeah, I'll be back when I find another 10. And I found the last clover that I need. Clover finder, please take the, okay. It's not like I'm gonna reject the key. I'm sick. Oh my gosh, I'm always sick. Shamrock rug. Okay, that's nice. And, oh, that's actually like super cool. I like that. Sorry, my dad's talking. So now I gotta find 30 more. Surprisingly, the other 10 was easy to find, but still I'm thinking just because it's the beginning, I'm finding them easily because they're kind of scattered everywhere. At the ending, when it gets to around 50, it's super hard to find clovers because I remember doing this one last year, and I think I made it to like 48, maybe 38. I can't remember which one, but it was super hard to find them. But right now it's super easy. I don't remember it being as easy, but I mean it's easy, so I'm good right now. And I'll be back when I find another 10. So these are the standing rocks. So I'm guessing one of these is like this one. It looks like is gonna be like in the house and like den item, and it looks really nice. I like it a lot. Okay, so the 30th clover was kind of hard to find. I didn't find it as easily as 10 or 20, but yep. So it is getting harder now. Clover, oh, that's pretty neat. I've never seen one of those. I've seen these. Oh, it has, OMG, that's so pretty. Now, let's go find 40. And now that I think of it, I really wish I got a bird because birds can fly over things so easily in adventures, but I think they like cause a lot of lag too. I don't know. But oh my gosh. This is getting harder now as the clovers are everywhere. But they like reappear every time you find a new 10, right? Because I've been noticing I've been finding a couple of them in the same spots that I found ones that I took. So yeah. Huh? Did you throw the other one in the trash? I'll be back when I find the 40th one. Okay, so the 40 was like super hard to find. It wasn't the easiest, so I was chatting with other people while finding it. And a lot of people, oh yay, another large standing stone. I love these so much. And now I need 50 more to go to get the bigger chest. And people are like, the last few, someone is on like 2 more until they get the big chest.
Hello, everybody.
That's my dad. And they said like they're so hard to find the last few. So that kind of worries me, but I found one down here on my way coming back. So yeah. And since, as you can see, I looked at the whole map, almost, I'm missing a couple because I got excited and I didn't check the rest. But they're always reappearing, so it's like you gotta check the whole map every time for the 50. Same with the 40. 30 and 20, they're kind of like scattered everywhere though. So, OMG, finally I found the last one. OMG! What you get? Good luck. I think that was a non-member. But, huh? Do you get? Oh my god, she found it. It looks golden. The eagle. She's been helping me with the dance things. Oh, I like am super curious. Someone's saying help, and it's probably for something. I want to see what she gets. Oh my god, what does she get? What do you get? I wonder how long she's. Oh, I'm like super curious what she got. No, what did she get? Is she using it? Nothing yet. I'm still looking for the center. Oh. OMG. Yep, someone else is here too. Okay, I want to see what she's gonna get. I don't know why, but I just want to be like right next to her. What'd she get? Did she get a spike?
This is for real the cutest cardigan I've ever owned. Love it so much.
Okay, hold on. So she just what she said right now, which
one bite was like having some Welch's grape juice. They're so sweet.
she said she just got a rare item Monday item, so
You talking to someone online?
yeah, I'm doing a video.
Are you making a video?
Yeah.
Oh, hey everybody! Hey world!
This container.
So that's kind of a ripoff, but sit! Parents are talking, so I'll be back when I try to find another 5 of them because I don't know if I'll get that far. So I guess they released like more, like half of this here of the map wasn't available, but now it's available, I guess, because of the 50. And more of it's like been unblocked. Well, I'm gonna go inside. Okay, well, yeah. Oh, this is gonna be so hard. So I need just 3 more to get like the lucky big key thingy. Just kidding, I only need 2 more. And a lot of people are announcing how they are. Someone is at 1 left. I really hope they get it. And I really hope they tell me what they got. Cause person could have just had like bad luck with that. You see what I did there? Bad luck. And this is like a lucky thingy. Yeah, that was a pun. I laughed. Sorry, me and my cringiness. Yeah. Okay, so my mom came back from something, cause she was gonna go right now and she forgot her phone, and we were looking everywhere for it right now, because she kept ringing it and we kept hearing it, but we kept on going to like the opposite sides of the apartment. OMG, in the house of our apartment. But it was funny because we found it in the laundry basket in the side pocket of her pants. And imagine how bad that would have been if it got in the laundry. So, eek. But, you know, she wouldn't get that far without them either. Yeah. 2 more to stress. Is there anywhere I have? Okay, so I still need to explore that bit. So, yep. OMG, I was so shocked when I found this clover. It's almost sad. But I need 1 more. 1 more clover to get special key. And then I will reveal what is in the thing And if it's in here, I'll be so happy, but it isn't. Oh my gosh. And I could have sworn I looked over here. But it was on the very edge, and I only look in like the huge patches. So that's probably how it is. Like, I gotta look in every aspect. But oh my gosh, I'm so close. I can do this. I hope I just don't get some rim items though. I really hope I can get a good spike. Whew, let's go. Oh my gosh, it's been impossible to find the last one. But I noticed the last couple of ones, they were all in river, so now I'm gonna just follow the stream of the river and see if I can find it. Like, yeah, they were all next to stream, so I'll look next to the patches of clovers, and oh my gosh, like, this is insane! Like, I'm considering even just, like, leaving the game, but I've, like, gone so far and I wasted so much time that I can't just, like, leave it. Oh my god, no, I have to find it. Someone else is on their last one, too. Oh my gosh, I really hope I find it. So, oh my gosh, I'll be right back, I guess. So, I can't find it anywhere. I'm going nuts. And that's it. I give up. I can't find the last clover. Everyone's left except for one wolf. My bad. There's 3 people here. I just can't find it. If I can't find it, like, right now, in, like, last 5 minutes, that's it. I can't find it. I swear I looked at the whole map. I can't. I just can't. It's like impossible. But at least I tried. Oh my god, I can't believe I just did that. I'm so dumb. So I'm eating food right now. So I really like that. That's okay. It's cool. It's pretty neat. I like that. It's pretty. It's also nice. That's cool, I guess. Oh wait. So yeah, that's everything I got. I can't believe I was on there for such a long time and I wasted like half of my day. But yeah, thanks for watching.